2803 Misty Grove, one car garage. The small car could park here and there side by side. I believe you can park across the street. Might have to check the HOA, but you can definitely park in front of the house. This is a 3-bedroom, needs a one-time cleanup in the landscaping. If you've seen the other floor plans, you know that we have a lot of experience in this particular community with this floor plan and with the Stone Canyon townhomes in general. So as you enter, stairs are directly in front of you. There are no lights in this room, but I can tell you the baseboards look like DIY just because you can see the nails, but they do look like they've been done pretty well, just from my opinion. You know, Jenny may think otherwise. We have a really great color on the walls. It's very close to what we typically do. The blinds look new as well. Not sure about this front door. We'll see what Jenny says. May be okay if it's cleaned up. May not need to be replaced. The flooring seems fine. I don't think it's the highest quality, but the condition looks pretty good overall. Paint still looks good. Nice undermount sink with a gooseneck. Cabinets look pretty good. We have a mounted microwave. So it looks like a fairly decent size microwave, so it's not that much space right there. So we have a 3-prong in here, plus gas. Cabinets look good. Flooring looks good. Little scuff marks, really nothing. So it's good. Some items that need to be removed before close. It's a pretty big water heater. Pretty standard garage. Fridge looks nice. So we have gray in here. It's like a bluish gray on the walls. Missing a couple cabinet pulls, but overall looks pretty good. Okay, carpet looks good. Stairs look pretty good. It looks like it was painted over, a little bit of paint chipping off there, but I don't think it's going to be an issue. Carpet still looks good, so we're going to need some blinds upstairs. It's nice that we have a ceiling fan. Looks pretty new. Not the best grout job, but at least it is tile. Cabinets look good. Undermount sink. Light fixture looks new. We need a shower rod in here. Shower head looks new. Carpet may need to be stretched. Might be a tripping hazard. So we need 1 blind, 1 shower rod. This has a nice feel to it. Modern doors, as long as I don't want to open them just in case it falls apart, but as long as they work. So we're at window 2. Carpet looks pretty clean. So we need 3 blinds, 1 shower rod. Not a lot to do in here.